493 West Glendale virtual tour, Bedford, Ohio. Awesome property. Nice big double car garage in the back. You had a big yard too. You can see all that. And your vinyl siding. Nice newer sidewalk going to the house. They had to put in a new drain line, so you got newer drain line here. Let's go inside. This was been cleaned up and painted, and it's a really nice property. So let's look at the vinyl, and you can see the paint. Looks really nice in here. So you can see here, there's a kitchen, big kitchen, nice big L-shaped if you want some view. Your laundry room's right here on the first floor, right here, so that's nice. You have a door that goes back, newer windows, newer vinyl windows, and gas cooking. And here's the first bedroom, nice big bedrooms. Again, vinyl, got a nice closet. Very, very clean home. Here's the bathroom, full bath, first floor. Everything's on the first floor, it's a one story. So here's the other bedroom. There's a lot of storage right there. If you like that, vinyls through the whole thing. This is an awesome house in Bedford, and it's coming available. Thanks, hope to see you soon.